Hello all, welcome to Trade Sutra. This video is about using Bollinger Bands and price action strategy for improving the chances of your success in trading. So let's start. Understanding Bollinger Bands. Bollinger Bands were introduced by John Bollinger in 1980s. This indicator characterizes price and volatility over a period of time. In simple terms, Bollinger Bands display a maximum and minimum moving averages based on the input parameters. Standard input parameters are 20-day moving average and 2 times deviation. There are two efficient methods to trade Bollinger Bands. Staying with the trend is the method 1, used for investments and positional trades. Predicting the trend is used for intraday and short-term positions. So here we are using Bollinger Band in two ways. One is to stay with the trend for long-term investments and positions, and one is to predict the trend for intraday trades and small positional trades. Now we will discuss in detail about staying with the trend. See friends, here the price closed above the Bollinger Band. You need to understand this very carefully. Not only high is above upper band, but the total candle closed above the upper band. At least closed above the upper band. Okay. Price. So buy when a candle is closed above the upper band. You are buying here. You are taking whole risk up to here, and you are staying for long term. Only then you need to take these kind of positions. There is a video in the next part of the video. There is about staying with the small trends also. Buy when a candle is closed above the upper band, or sell when price closed below the lower band. Stop loss is when the price touches the lower band when bought, or upper band when sold. Effective when used for positional trades or long-term trades. Do not panic and exit when price touches the middle band. Price can bounce and catch the trend anytime back soon. Examples of positional trade with 30 minutes candle. See here, this is a Reliance chart, recent one. Um, this date is 24/2021, April 20, 2021. So here the candle closed above, high is above upper band, but candle closed below the upper band. So you are not buying there, you are waiting for your position. Here candle closed below, but this is, see, there is huge rejection. See here, there is no rejection in price. Candle closed above upper band, so you are going to buy here. You bought here and then you are holding till here. It means this is from 1940 to 2030. That is about 70 points, 90 points. Sorry, 90 points you are going to get. That is the effectiveness of the trend. If you even if you buy at the high price, it will go up till it touches here. Don't sell. Checklist for method 1. Use candlesticks above 15 minute only. Use day candles if your holding period is more than 1 year. Enter the trade only when the candle closes above the upper band. Never exit the trade until the stop loss hit. Prices should close below lower band or above upper band when you buy and sell respectively. This is for intraday. This is method 2, predicting the trend. Use Heikin-Ashi candles only for this method. Buy here. Buy when a candle closes above the upper band. The whole candle need to be closed above the upper band. Okay. See here. Sell when a candle closed below the lower band. sorry, middle bands. Book profit as soon as the profit touches the lower band. Book profit here as soon as price touches the upper band. Use this method for intraday and short-term positions only. See, in predicting the trend, we are using middle Bollinger Band, so that I have back tested it many times. Almost 80% of the time it is success. We are using smaller time frames. Don't use this method for more than 2 days holding period. Trend may reverse. Instead, here we are using 5-minute candle. Instead, choose this method for intraday trades only. Okay. Now checklist. Use Heikin-Ashi candles for more clarity on the direction of the price. Use only for short-term and intraday positions. Enter the trade only when the candle closes above or below the middle band. Book profit as soon as price hits upper or lower band. Use smaller time frames from 5 minute to 15 minute, maximum 15 minute. So that's it. Understand the trend and trade to win. Thank you. If you think this is a useful video, please do share, like and subscribe. Thank you.